Welcome back to another episode of Enjoy LGD. In today's video, we will be talking about how to make money online. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and leave a like and share with friends and family. Whether you're looking to make some fast cash, or you're after long-term, more sustainable income producing results, there are certainly ways you can make money online today. The truth is that making money online isn't as difficult as most make it out to seem. It does require some discipline. However, if you're looking for realistic ways you can start earning money online now, then it really truly does boil down to 7 paths you can take towards profit. Some will provide you with immediate results, helping you to address your basic monthly necessities such as rent, utilities, and groceries, while others have the potential to transform your life by revolutionizing your finances in the long term. Ensure that you watch to the end because we will be telling you about a secret way you can make money instantly after you have finished watching this video that no one talks about. Now here are 7 ways how to make money online fast. 1. Day trader. This option requires a steep learning curve, but many have been able to teach themselves the basics of day trading and make it a valuable second income. If you're not familiar with day trading, it's trading stocks when the stock market is open. While there is pre-day trading and post-day trading, the best times to be available for trading are between 9:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern Time. If you're just starting out, there are lots of free courses and videos online to help you get your foot in the door. Also, don't give up. There is never going to be a day when you get great returns on every trade you make. It's going to have a lot of ups and downs, but if you stick with it, it can be quite profitable for you. 2. Become a YouTube star. Everyone wants to be a YouTube celebrity and video star, but did you know thousands of YouTube users are getting paid for the viewers that see their videos online? Yes, it's true, and some are even millionaires from it. YouTube is powered by Google, which serves billions of ad impressions on the video site every day. To reward users for creating amazing video content and growing their audience, the YouTube Partners program was created. Best of all, you don't need millions of viewers to get started, you just simply need to produce quality content that YouTube users find value in and benefit from. 3. Online surveys. There are lots of websites out there that are looking for people to take part in surveys and focus groups. As a word of warning, the surveys typically don't pay a lot, but you can do a lot over the course of the day. If you can find online focus groups, you may have better luck making a bit more. Either way, it's quite similar to writing in that it may take you a while to find your groove and make a schedule out of it. 4. Teaching or tutoring. If you have some experience in education, you could look into teaching or tutoring. You can also find work as a life coach, helping people find their right career, or resume reviewer. Some of those require very specific education and training, so you might have to invest in a course before you start. If you are a native English speaker or have a high level of English, you could look at becoming an online English teacher. Unlike other educational jobs, these postings often require little experience and nothing more than a high level of English and a smiling face. You'll likely have to go through a lengthy interview process and subsequent training, but it's a great way to start working quickly and making decent money. Many make this a second job while others can build up sufficient clientele to make it their full-time job. 5. Start a blog or website. It could be anything from tech to travel. If you have social media channels, like Instagram or YouTube, this is a great way to link those together. You'll also want to familiarize yourself with SEO. While there are too many tips to put here, it might be a good idea to find a free course online and see what strategies you can take. 6. Sell stuff on eBay or Amazon. You've always heard of people getting rich off selling items on eBay and Amazon, but you don't need to have a business degree to figure it out. Anyone can start selling items they aren't using anymore on eBay in just a matter of minutes. Once you sell your first item, you can quickly find yourself addicted and start making a few $100s per month selling your old and unwanted items. Amazon also offers similar services through their Sell on Amazon services for anyone who might have their own products or bulk supply. 7. Freelancer. Websites such as Upwork, Fiverr and Freelancer offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs, such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant. No matter what kind of freelancing you do, keep track of the going rate for the kind of work you provide so you know if you're charging too much or too little. With freelancing you're able to sign up and start making money immediately. I have personally used some of these sites, but what I actually did was to reach out to small and medium-sized companies and told them how I could help their businesses grow in different ways, then outsourced the work on these freelancer websites for cheap and saved majority of the money. You can earn anywhere from $100 to $5,000 per day doing this. The link for these freelancing websites will be in the description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Also drop a comment down below letting us know why you have not started making money online.